So in a higher competitive, local situation, you're going to start at 4 releases a month for same 4 to 6 months, but be comfortable ramping up to 6 if you need to. You'll get this feeling after a couple months where if you're not seeing any kind of movement, then you may need to ramp up a little bit. You can often back off to 1 release every 6 weeks, but you should probably plan on only being able to back off to 1 a month. This is generally what we see. Again, everything is different, so by all means try and back off a little bit further so that you can save that money and build that margin into your offerings, right? But don't be alarmed if you can't back off quite that far. I do like to stick to 1 press release per active topic every month. So you can add a few more active topics. So before where we were saying let's only stick with about 2, now you might actually have 4 active topics. And by topic, just so we're clear, but I mean, that can be locations, it can be services at that location, it can be location plus service, it can be keywords, anything that you're trying to rank for. That's what I'm talking about with a topic or a stack. Link flow is no different. GMB, branded assets, and socials. And then for higher competitive stuff, certainly consider using CTR tools. I do like them. You can often even have them follow a click flow through a stack. And we've seen some benefit from that. And so kind of experiment with your favorite tool. But we do see this definitely moving the needle from a rankings perspective and a branding perspective, because this also helps your PRs rank a little bit better for branded search.